Good morning, everybody. Sweet Charity here. What are we doing today? I got another iced coffee for you, but this one is a little bit different. It's getting cold here, so we're gonna warm things up with our iced coffee. I'll show you, don't worry. We're doing a German chocolate style iced coffee. So, of course, first thing that you're gonna need is your Nescafe. We rock our instant coffee here, but only the Nescafe. Now, I will say that if you saw my last video, I may have needed to cut back on the caffeine a little bit. So now I alternate. I do the regular and the decaf, and both taste delicious. Next up, I have got some raw cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder as well. Or if you've got some chocolate syrup, you can rock that too. Then we've got Torani Coconut Syrup. It's delish. And then some sort of liquid. You can use water if you want, but I have a choice of either 2% milk, and then I also have this almond and cashew protein milk, which I really like because it adds some protein in if you're going the non-dairy route. Glass of ice with a straw and a separate glass with a spoon, and you're going to need some hot water to dissolve this cacao. So we'll get right to it. First up in the dissolving process, our instant coffee. I chose a little regular this morning because I need a little jump start. Just enough water in there to dissolve. Let's pour this over our ice. All right. Up next, we're going to dissolve our cacao. I'm going to need another spoon this time, though. Okay. And I'm using about a tablespoon. Cacao, actually, is a pretty good source of magnesium for you. So I don't feel bad about drinking chocolate in the morning. Okay, so I've got the cacao, a little bit of hot water to make it disperse evenly. The stirring of the cacao is not as easy as the Nescafe. It gets a little clumpy, but that's okay. And if you've never had raw cacao powder, it's very bitter. So you probably just don't want to, I mean, if you really like bitter things, then go for it. All right, we're gonna pour this over the ice, all that cacao goodness. We're going to add a little bit of this coconut syrup. And I'm going 1, 2, 3. It's about a teaspoon, I would say. Add your liquid of choice. I'm going to go with this almond cashew. Right. Give it a good spin. You can give it a good shake if you like. I'm just going to spin it around. And let's give it a whirl. I mean, you guys, it's so delicious. It will really brighten up your morning. Anyhow, if you're looking for all the ingredients, go ahead and check down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And turn on that bell if you want to be aware of when I am posting another video. Thumbs it up if you liked it. I mean, if you didn't, go ahead, thumbs it down. That's totally on you. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I should have another coffee video coming. But if you haven't seen my first one, check it out, iced coffee in an instant, and I'm wearing a wig in that one. All right, everybody, thanks so much. Happy coffeeing, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.